Yeah, let us continue with the time and work. So I have taught you different models, and now we will be finishing the problems based on cistern or tanks. Both pipes are opened. How much time will it take to close the tank? Remember two things. Uh, so cistern is nothing but a water tank. First thing is that one. Cistern is nothing but a water tank. Next thing. So if an inlet fill up a water tank in 8 hours, then in 1 hour, that inlet means some water is flowing through an open channel. If it fills in 8 hours, then in 1 hour it fills 1/8 part of it. Suppose a pipe is water is flowing through a pipe and the tank takes 8 hours to fill it. So like this, water is flowing through this one like this. So it is taking 8 hours time to fill this tank. So once again, cistern is nothing but water tank. First thing is that one. Next, water is flowing. An inlet is nothing but some type of pipe. Some pipe is water is flowing through the pipe through the tank, and if the tank is filled in 8 hours, so say that it's a huge tank, it will take 8 hours time. So in 1 hour, what part of the work is filled, what part of the tank is filled is 1/8 part. So before going to this, you need to know these basic concepts. Next, another thing, the tank filled is this one. Suppose if the tank empties means something like this. Some water is flowing outside the tank. Then you should keep, that is, then the word we use it as inlet means water is flowing through the tank, then it is outlet means water is draining from the tank. Draining means it is going outside of the tank. So for outlet you should take as negative value. Remember, negative. So I will give an example. The work done by outlet means water is flowing outside of the tank. Suppose the tank is filled like this and the water is, some hole is there, water is draining out, so it is outlet. Inlet means water is flowing through the tank. So same case, if the water is flowing through the tank and it takes 8 hours to fill the tank, in 1 hour it will take 1/8 part of the tank. In the same way, if the water is draining, now it is outlet. The word we used it as outlet. If the water is draining, if the water is going out of the tank, then we have to use -1/8, something like that. We will use negative value. If an outlet empties the tank in 6 hours, say example, if an outlet empties the tank in 6 hours, empties means like this. Outlet means, I told, no, some drainage like that, it is flowing out water. Outlet empties means nothing is there. Outlet empties the tank in 6 hours. So in 6 hours the tank will be emptied. So in 1 hour, what part of the tank is emptied is 1/6 part. So remember these words, it is very useful. Once again I will explain. If the outlet empties the tank in 6 hours, outlet means some draining pipe or some pipe, it is outlet empties means the water will be flowing outside. If it takes 6 hours, so in 1 hour what part of the work is emptied is nothing but 1 by 6th part. And if the water is of the tank is full in 8 hours, in 1 hour what part of the tank is finished is 1 by 8. Same way, if an outlet empties the tank in 8 hours, same thing you take. If the outlet empties the tank in 8 hours, in 1 hour what part of the tank is emptied is 1 by 8 part. So these are the two basic rules we have to remember and then start doing the problems. Once again, final time. Cistern is nothing but water tank. Outlet and inlet, these are the two words. Whenever you see, I am saying the hints, whenever you see inlet you have to keep plus, whenever you see outlet you have to keep minus. Inlet means water is flowing inside the tank, and suppose the time taken is 8 hours. In 1 hour what part of the tank is filled is 1 by 8. Next, in the same way, if an outlet empties the tank means you are putting a hole in the tank and you are removing the water. If it takes 8 hours to empty the tank, in 1 hour what time it will take, what part of the tank is emptied is 1 by 8th part. So these are the basics. Now we can do some problem based on this. Part of the tank emptied and filled. So remember, outlet means plus symbol, inlet means minus symbol. Why? Because the water is flowing outside, so you need to keep obviously negative symbol. So problems will be, how the problems will be, let us discuss. A cistern means water tank. A water tank can be filled by one tap in 4 hours and another tap in 3 hours. Simple questions. How long will it take to fill if both taps are open together? A cistern means water tank can be filled by one tap in 4 hours, another tap in 3 hours. Tank is there, one tap is flowing water. Just remember the picture. One pipe, how many hours it will take? A water cistern can be filled by one tap in 4 hours, another in 3 hours. So how long will it take to fill if both taps are opened? So how much time it will take to fill the huge tank is there? One will take 4 hours, another tank will take 3 hours it seems. One inlet will take how many hours? A cistern can be filled by one tap in 4 hours, another tap in 3 hours. One tap will take 4 hours, another tap will take 3 hours. So if both are running together, how much time it will take? So are you understanding? Once again, there is a tank in that a pipe can be filled by the tank in 4 hours and another pipe it will fill the tank in 3 hours. If both are open, you both open the inlets means both you open the valves, then how much time it will take? So how will that check? One pipe can fill a tank in 4 hours. In 1 hour, part of the tank filled. Always in 1 hour. This is for 4 hours. This is for 1 hour means 1 by 4th part. Next. Another pipe. Another pipe can fill the tank in how many hours? 3 hours. So in 1 hour, just now I told no, in 1 hour in number part of the tank filled is equal to next 1 by 3. So in 1 hour we are calculating. At the last we will see how much. 1 by 3. Another pipe can fill the tank in 3 hours. So in 1 hour the tank part of the tank filled is 1 by 3. So both pipes are opened. Now both are opened. Therefore both pipes are opened. Both pipes are open means water is flowing at a time through. Both pipes are open. Both pipes are open. Therefore the tank takes in 1 hour what? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So both pipes are opened. Therefore the tank takes in 1 hour. Underline this word 1 hour. LCM is 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 4 3 4s are 12. 4 1 are 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 1 7 by 12. So this is for 1 hour. Therefore both pipes takes 12 by 7 hours to fill the tank. 12 by 7. This is for 1 hour, no? So how much means? So for 1 hour 7 by 12. So how much it will take? 12 by 7. 12 by 7 hours. 12 by 7 hours is nothing but 1 5 by 7 hours. 1 5 by 7 hours. That means if both are open, the tank will be filled in 1 5 by 7 hours. 1 hour 5 by 7 hours. 1 5 by 7 hours. Like that. So is it clear? The basics which I have explained and how to do the problems. Next, in the next class we will be doing some more different types, and then we will finish off these chapters, time and work. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Bye.